In the beginning, my home started having a few signs where the tiles in my kitchen were starting to crack, and I could see outside there were some bricks that were starting to crack in some of the mortar areas. So I knew that something was shifting. I called Master Services and the other company. I had them both come out, and Master Services basically had the better plan, and they were more open and honest with me about what they knew and what they didn't know. I enjoy working with Nick. Nick had very open communication, was constantly checking in with me to see how things were going. I knew if I needed anything, Nick was a short call or a text away. Jake and the team really took care of everything. You know, if anything happened that shouldn't have happened, they were on it very quickly. They were out there doing what they needed to do, whether it be, you know, Jake's expert digging with that big piece of equipment versus around gas and water they dug by hand. So yes, I was thoroughly impressed. I've already given a referral to a neighbor of mine who called and was explaining some issues that he had that were similar, if not worse, than my own. And Master Services, again, were the most open and honest about what they knew, what they didn't know, and they were price competitive.